Hello guys, another career unlock guys. So I am now a on-call cleaner. So and also there is a worker here. So I clean this house as an on-call, like a domestic helper. So I already finished on this part here. I clean it up. So there is also someone who is a babysitter because the owner of the house is very busy. They are a family of lawyer. They are just moved here like a weeks ago. So that's why we hired us. We paid people. They pay people to to clean this up. And yes, another career unlock. So now I am a on-call cleaner. So yes, I'm going to finish my dishes here, to wash the dishes and laundry. Yes, I will also do the laundry. So that's how life in the in abroad in the city. So yes, come on. So I will just have to place the camera here. So while I'm waiting for this animal here na I don't know, this one, say tawagan ni daw ya, cleaning ang machine, nag-cleaning. The machine is cleaning on his own. I don't know because on our bukid we don't have this machine. So while I'm waiting for this to be done, it's indicate here 28 minutes to go. So I'm going to wash the dishes. Okay. Career, changing career. Oh, and someone also here is panday the cabinet, do the cabinet. So so that's life guys. You have to survive sometimes. Actually we're close to the airport, so don't bother for the some disturbing sounds because there are airplanes often passing here. Kasi gusto ko niyo dalhon dira sa Amerika, sa Australia, sa Japan, sa Europe, I can be your domestic helper guys. So I will do cleaning, laundry, and many more, gardening. The owner here is very rich. They are lawyer. The doctor, the wife is the lawyer and the husband is a doctor. So my boss is here guys, the owner. So me and my sister is hired here guys. Actually my sister is already working here for very long time. So and my sister recommend me to work here.
Hello everybody. Thank you for supporting my brother. All videos. Thank you guys.
Guys, this is my sister PWD guys. Like a telephone. Hello. When we are kids, we use this as a telephone. Hello, hello. Why you are crying, baby? So, get back to work now. Okay. So guys, I am also cleaning this for babies things. I don't know. very delicate, no? Because it's for babies. So we have to be very, very, very careful. One. So if you're a domestic helper, if you hired someone who work especially for your house as a domestic helper, make sure that they are, meticulous and work properly with or without supervision. Because sometimes we are hiring someone, and when the employees are gone, the employers are sleeping. So that's not a good practice. So here, together with my co-workers, with or without our employer, I don't know, our boss, employee, we are still working. The other one here is do the cabinet. The other one is babysitting, while I am also finishing my work here, and after that I will be going to wash clothes. So guys, I use separate sponge. This one for this, and this sponge is for the baby's utensils. So to avoid, cross contamination. So I have to cover this because later we're going to sterilize this baby utensils. Okay. So here there is, and we're going to arrange all of that later. So since my dishes is already finished, so I will going to proceed on the washing. While washing, cleaning this stove and the toilet. So guys, I'm going to wash the clothes, but the problem guys, this washing machine is very different, because I don't know how to operate. Look at this. So not like my washing machine, you will go brrr. You have to, this power button. So how to put water? This one is the detergent. Okay, I will put detergent. So I have detergent. Anyways, this is just a so let's put a detergent here. Okay, now, so that detergent is dripping. I don't know. Let's call for a help. We're going to ask a help for the manang here. Hello. How to operate the washing machine? Come here. Okay, I will call someone. Hold on. All the people is not sweet too. Because we don't know how to operate this, because this is very different hazard. Very different. Diba? Wait. We'll call the madam. We'll call the madam here, because we don't know how to operate the washing machine. Oh my goodness. The madam is busy. bidding. Hello, madam. How to operate this washing machine, madam? Di, first problem, paunsa man ako magbutag tubig ani.
Namin nagka-connect ng libre ko na. Video call.
Video call, okay. We will go to video call. Wait. Video call with madam. So, asa man ani? Kini. I-on.
Ito right.
To the right. Ato? Oh, okay. And then?
Nanon siya sabon.
Oh, I already put sabon.
You close the lid.
What's that? Delete?
The lid. You close the takip.
Ah, the lid, the cover.
Yes.
And then?
It's on already. You turn on first the lid. Yan lang. Follow nga ka.
Oh, on ko na. I on.
Push and push.
Yan ang pili ka ng cycle.
Cycle.
Sa one.
Normal.
Right one.
Washing cycle.
Ito sa right mo.
Ito?
Passing set of
Wash.
Delay. Dapat din ang delay and
Water level?
dapat delay.
Ito. Tulo ka boxes. 4 boxes.
Sita pa ita ang one.
1. Why did you buy this? Oh, 1.
Ay,
Water level. 3.
Four.
Four.
Iyan pa, bisita pa. Na. Tapos, play button.
Play button. Where the play button? Where? Ere. Kini. Oh. Something happened to the machine. So it will operate na.
It will operate on its own.
And how did we know if this is already done?
We will sing.
Ay, singing. Okay. So that's how to operate this animal thing. We don't know. Huh? High-tech washing machine. So what happened to these animals, guys? Huh? The timer is, getting low, so I bet this is almost done. So guys, hello everyone. Guys, so everything is done here. So I already arranged everything, but this one will be arranged later. So before, this was placed here. So there are some visitors coming, so they are eating here, but anyways, that's not a problem. So the laundry is just hung here because na diri kani ang nga
Over
basket.
there.
Oh.
The towel is over there.
Yes.
What's that? Yeah.
My co-worker here. Hello, kauban sa trabaho. So what you are looking for there, my dear? Huh?
I'm looking at
My dear, my dear. Pag-hi ba si my dear?
Hi.
Sama na siya. But yes, they also have chickens here, guys. So tonight, I guess will be going to rain. Hopefully not. But yes, hello. Hello. And yes, finally, everything is done and we can have our rest. Hello, chicken, and we are going to eat all of these chickens. But anyways, guys, thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.